Big cook, little cook, welcome to our cafe. Big cook, little cook, want you to come and play. Meeting all the friends we cook for, sharing stories, trips and fun. Big cook, little cook, we'll cook for everyone.
Oh, hello. Welcome to our cafe, the best cafe in the world. Shh. Isn't that lovely? Peace and quiet. I do love it when it's peaceful.
All aboard! Oh, hello, everyone. Hello. I can't stop, Small. I've got passengers on board. Please change at this station for the garden. All aboard! Do you know who I am, Small? Do you? I'm a train driver. Yay! Oh, I'd love to drive on a train. Choo-choo! Have you ever been on a train, little cook?
Choo-choo! Oh, yes, Ben. I went to the seaside once on a train. It was brilliant.
All aboard for the seaside train. Hurry up there, little cook. Choo-choo!
Choo-choo!
What can you see out of the window, little cook?
Choo-choo! Oh, look, I can see a field of cows. Moo! And look, there's the town. I can see the shops and the trees and... We've arrived at the seaside. That was brilliant. Thanks, train driver Ben.
That's okay, little cook. But I can't stop and chat. I've got to get back on the road again. Choo-choo!
Eh? Back on the road? Trains don't run on roads, Ben. They run along the railway tracks.
Really? I didn't know that.
I've got a postcard of a train Uncle Sam sent me.
Oh, yes, there it is. It's a very long train, Small. Look at all those carriages.
They carry the passengers, Ben.
Ho-ho! All aboard. Please have your tickets ready for inspection, ladies and gentlemen. All aboard.
I can tell it's going to be a very noisy day. See what I mean?
Come on, Small, we've got a customer.
I'm on my way. Woo!
Who is it today, Small?
Oh, you'll like this person, Ben. You'll like them a lot.
Who, Small? Who?
I'll give you some clues. Hey, why don't you try and guess too? They carry passengers and they drive something that goes along a track.
Hey, is it a train driver?
Yes, it's Terry the train driver.
Wow, a train driver in our cafe? Choo-choo-tastic.
What would a train driver like to eat? I think it's time to look in my book.
We need a story to help us cook.
Let's take a look in Little Cook's book. Little Cook's Adventures in the Big World. Let me see. It was a lovely warm day, and I had joined all my friends at the Sunny Day Nursery. We were going on a trip to the beach. We'd packed our swimming costumes and buckets and spades. I'd made a huge picnic for everyone to share, packed with sandwiches, fruit, and a big cake. Mr. Ross was taking us all to the beach on his coach. We sat on the coach and we were having a lovely time, singing songs and nursery rhymes when, clunk, there was a terrible noise and the coach stopped. Mr. Ross got out of the coach and lifted the bonnet. He peered in.
Oh dear,
he said.
this looks serious. I don't think we'll be going to the beach today, not in my coach.
Everyone looked very sad. Don't worry, I cried. Listen. We could hear a jug, 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 choo-choo. We'd broken down near the railway, and here was a train. I waved to Terry the train driver and told him what had happened. Don't worry, said Terry. I've just finished for the day, so I can give you all a ride to the beach. Climb aboard. so we all climbed on the train. We whizzed along the train tracks. It was great looking out of the window at fields and towns and even a busy road. We were going faster than the cars. We were at the beach in no time. Everyone splashed around in the waves. Even Terry the train driver went out for a paddle and he really enjoyed the picnic, especially the cake I'd made. He ate 2 enormous slices. At the end of the day, Terry the train driver took everyone safely back to the Sunny Day nursery. Little Cook to the rescue, once again!
That was a great adventure. Wow, your train journey sounded fantastic. Oh, I'd love to go on a train. Choo-choo!
Way! No time now, Big Cook. We've got to get cooking.
Terry the train driver liked cake, didn't he? Do you think he'd like another cake?
Well, we could make him a cake, Ben. Or we could make him something else. What do you think?
What to make for a train driver?
Ooh! I know! Big Cook's Big Cookery book!
Of course, the big cookery book. There's recipes for everything in there.
And where do we look for things to cook?
In the book. In the book. In Big Cook's book.
Well, well, look at this.
Choo Choo Train. Great.
It looks perfect.
Come on, Small, you read out the ingredients and I'll see if we've got them.
OK, let's see. We're going to need butter.
OK, over to the fridge. In we go. Here, butter, got that.
Caster sugar.
Caster sugar in the cupboard. Caster sugar, got that.
Cocoa.
Cocoa, got the cocoa, Small, yep.
Sweets.
Sweets, oh, my favourite sweets, yeah.
Swiss roll.
Swiss roll, oh yes, a big Swiss roll there.
Mini Swiss rolls.
Mini Swiss rolls as well. Here we go.
And mini donuts.
Oh, mini donuts, great. Brilliant. There. Everything we need for Choo Choo Train recipe.
I wonder how donuts are made.
Hey, why don't you whiz off and find out, little cook, and I'll get everything ready.
That's a great idea, Ben. I'll see you later. Woohoo! Hey, why don't you come along too? Way!
Go, Small, whiz away. I wonder what he'll see today.
There's a train! Choo-choo! Oh, I'm in the right place here.
There's lots of ingredients in donuts. Hey, this mixture is going to make a lot of donuts. Wow, I've never seen such a big mixing bowl. Green for go. And on goes the lid, and it's time to mix. The mixing bowl is going round and round, mixing all the ingredients inside. The mixture is called dough, and the dough is going to make the donuts. Oh, wow, the dough has turned pink. Pink donuts. The dough is being rolled into one long, flat sheet. Can you see the shape of the donuts in the dough? What shape are they? donuts are circles, with another circle cut out of the middle. Lovely pink donuts! Oh, there they are. It's warm in there, and the donuts grow bigger. The donuts are going to be cooked now. Ooh, it's really hot in there. The donuts have been cooked on one side and are now being cooked on the other. Oh, goody! Now the donuts have been cooked, they can be decorated. These are being decorated with pink icing. Ooh, lots of sprinkles all over the top.
See you later. Bye.
Hee-hee! Choo-choo! Choo-choo!
Way! That was brilliant. I saw loads of donuts being made. They were all lovely and gooey, and they had icing and sprinkles on top.
Well, I've been busy putting all the ingredients into bowls. We're all ready, so take a look.
And we will show you how to cook.
Jelly boats and pirates' gold, princess pea pies, carrot cakes and fruity smiles,
And envelope surprise. We love our cafe and we love to cook. We have a fantastic recipe book. He is big cook and he is small. Friends in our cafe, we cook for them all. When your tummy gets all rumbly, you're ready for a treat. You can make something delicious to eat.
Have you cleaned the surfaces?
Yes, have you washed your hands?
Yes. All clean and ready to cook. Do you remember the ingredients to Choo Choo Train?
You do?
There was butter,
50 grams,
caster sugar,
100 grams,
cocoa,
2 tablespoons,
sweets,
a few,
Swiss roll,
1,
mini Swiss rolls,
1.5,
and mini donuts.
6, all ready to go.
Whoopee! Let's get started! Hoo-hoo! I'll start the icing, Ben, and you make the train shape.
Okay, Small, I'll put the cocoa, the sugar, and the butter all together in this bowl. And you give it a good old mix.
All right, Ben.
Great. Now, I've already cut this large Swiss roll in half, like that. That's a job for your grown-up helper to do. And I'm going to position one half like that, and the other half up like that. Can you see the train shape yet? And then I'm going to take the other 2 mini Swiss rolls, and I'm going to put one here, and the other one here, to make the train's chimneys. There. Hey, looks great. How are you getting on, Small?
Well, hey! Do-do-do-do-do.
Oh, what happened to you?
I mixed all the ingredients together, Ben, but I think I got a bit too excited.
Oh, dear.
Don't worry, Ben. It's nearly ready. It might need a couple of drops of water, though, to make sure it's spreadable. I better go and get myself cleaned up.
You do that, Small. I'll just take this. There we go. Add a few drops of water. And give it a bit more of a mix. It looks just right now. So, I'm going to spread the butter icing all over the Choo Choo Train. Get a big blob, go up the side, get some more.
How's it coming along, Ben?
Great. I've covered the cake. Now it's time to decorate.
Oh, I like this bit.
With 6 donut wheels. So, 1 there, 2, 3, and round the other side. Let's turn the train around. 4, 5, and 6. Brilliant. Now it's time for those jelly sweets, Small.
Here are the sweets, Ben.
Thank you. Now to decorate the cab. There. 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 And the last one. There. A little window.
That's brilliant.
Doesn't it look great? All aboard the Choo Choo Train!
Hey!
One Choo Choo Train coming through! There. All done.
So what do we do now? Can we play?
Not yet. Time to clean and put away!
Hooray!
Wash, wipe, scrub and clean. Make the kitchen sparkle and gleam. My name's Ben. And my name's Small. We've got the cleanest kitchen of all. Tidy all the bits and bobs, the things that help us do our jobs. Ingredients well put away, ready for use another day. Pots and pans will start to smell if we don't wash them really well. And now it's clear, let's all smile. We'll be finished in a little while. All around, up and down, we've got the cleanest cafe in town.
Aha! Here comes the plate.
Oh, yes. It looks like Terry the train driver enjoyed his choo-choo train. And look, Small, he's left a note.
Well, what does it say? What does it say?
Let's see, shall we? It says, Dear Big Cook Ben and Little Cook Small, thank you for my tasty choo-choo train. Hey,
Hey.
I had plenty of friends to share it with. Here's a little surprise for you.
Ooh, a surprise? Well, what is it, Ben? What is it? Wow! It's a train.
But it's too small for me to ride in, Small. Oh, but look! He's also left us 2 tickets for the Sunflower Valley train. Hey!
Brilliant!
So I am going to ride on a train after all. All aboard! All aboard!
See you soon!
Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Big cook, little cook, welcome to our cafe. Big cook, little cook, we'll cook for everyone. We'll cook for everyone.